Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Flutter development in Visual Studio Code versus Android Studio. We'll explore the key differences between these two popular integrated development environments, or IDE, for building your Flutter applications. My goal is to help you understand their unique strengths and weaknesses, enabling you to make an informed decision about which tool best suits your development workflow and project requirements. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top for your needs. Visual Studio Code, often called VS Code, is celebrated for its lightweight nature and impressive speed. It's a highly customizable code editor, offering a vast marketplace of extensions that significantly enhance Flutter development. You'll find features like hot reload and debugging seamlessly integrated, making for a very efficient coding experience. For developers who prioritize a minimalist, fast, and highly configurable environment, VS Code is an excellent choice. Android Studio, on the other hand, is a comprehensive, full-fledged integrated development environment. It provides a rich set of tools specifically designed for Android development, including a powerful UI designer, a robust emulator, and advanced profiling capabilities. This makes it particularly strong for projects requiring deep native integration or extensive debugging of platform-specific issues. If you need an all-in-one solution with extensive native support, Android Studio is your go-to. So, which one is better? The answer largely depends on your specific needs. Choose Visual Studio Code if you value speed, customization, and a lightweight setup for quick iterations. Opt for Android Studio when your project demands deep native integration, advanced debugging, or extensive performance profiling. Both offer excellent support for Flutter, so consider your project's complexity and your personal workflow to make the best decision for your development journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.